What's up guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome back to another video where finally I have got my replacement 65-inch Samsung S95B up on the wall. And today we're going to talk about the very latest software update that has recently been released for this TV. Now I'm sure many of you are keen to know about the software that was shipped with this TV. Well, out of the box it came with version number 1310. And within a few hours of me unpacking the TV, it done an update, which then took it to the version number 1420. Question of why I let the TV do an update, because there has been a lot of debate about reduced brightness when it comes to some of these updates, but I thought it's only fair to keep the TV fully up to date because, you know, that's what a lot of people will be doing, and that's what I will continue doing going forwards. Now, after only having the TV up and running for, what was it, about a day or so, wasn't it? Just, yeah, not even a couple of days. We then got another update come through. So yeah, just by pure chance. So what we're going to do is have a look at the version number. So we're going to press on the settings button on the remote, go down to support. And as we can see there, where it says software update, we have the current version number there, which is now 1430. Obviously, because I only had the TV up and running for, you know, about a day with that other software version, it's been hard to tell any real differences between the two because I haven't had much time to actually, you know, test out the TV fully. But we did notice when you were playing a game, so in the game mode, and then you press on the home button. Now on the previous version, it would stay at the same brightness level when you came to this page. So it would stay, you know, if you play an HDR game, it would stay really nice and bright. Now, since that update, I've noticed that when it comes back to this, it really drops down in the brightness. Now, even if it is on the same brightness level, let's just say it's on 50 maxed out, you then come to this page and it really drops down. It looks a bit too dim. I don't know if there's something wrong going on there or if it's something wrong before and it should have dropped down. But that is a difference that we have noticed. Now, there was another little issue that we picked up on when it done the software update. If we just go down to media, that was just navigating the menus. It was quite slow and lethargic. It would really sort of like hang and all that. But I did find a bit of a solution to this. Now, if we go to the settings, go down to support, and then down to device care, and then we run start device care. Now what this will do is shut all the unnecessary stuff down in the background, a bit like what you do on a mobile phone. And I did notice it did help a little bit, but it still isn't absolutely perfect when it comes to navigating those menus. So I still think Samsung need to do a little bit of work on it. Now, apart from those two things, I haven't actually picked up on anything else, nothing dramatic and obvious. But if you have one of these TVs and you have done the update and you have noticed anything, please come through in the comment section and let us all know. Now, I do expect to spend more time with this TV, so if there is another future update, I should be better informed about any differences between the old and new version. Now, just before we do wrap this up, I would say, again, just pressing on the settings button here, going down to support, going into software update, I would recommend turning off auto update like I do with all TVs, because, you know, we get good updates, but we also get bad updates. So definitely turn that off if you watch channels like mine, because, you know, we're the guinea pigs. We'll test these software updates out for you and let you know if they are good to go or not. So there you have it then, guys. Now do us a favour, if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you already haven't and want to see more content to do with this TV, and any suggestions, please come forward in the comments section and I'll aim to fulfill your needs. And hopefully I'll be catching you guys on the next one. Bye for now.